So you can see how I launched a product in 1 month for under $1,000. What is up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. My name is Pat Harrison. I'm a full-time Amazon FBA seller. On my channel, I share tips that help with my own Amazon business so they could help you out as well. I also run a community of over 1,900 other FBA sellers and students of mine. So if you want to join for free, hit the link down below in the description. But in this video, I'm going to be doing something completely different. It's going to be a 2 or 3 part series called the $1,000 experiment. Recently, I found a product by accident. I launched it on Amazon in less than 1 month for under $1,000. So I'm going to break down everything, be completely transparent. I'm going to show you screenshots, show you my PPC campaigns, my strategies, my profit margin. All of that will be included in this video. I launched the product yesterday, so I'm going to show you my first day of sales at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you like this video if you like this type of content and follow along as I update this whole experiment. But let's get into my computer right now, break down all the numbers so you can see how I launched a product in 1 month for under $1,000. Let's go. All right, guys, so here we are, the $1,000 experiment. I'm going to break down how I launched a product for under $1,000. But before we get into it, I want to tell you this is not a typical product I would launch on Amazon, but I saw an opportunity with this product. It was really cheap, so I decided to go for it and see if it would work. And so far, this is what happened. So on June 29th, if you don't follow my Facebook community, I posted that I saw a product. I was actually at a store with my girlfriend, and I saw a product. I thought I could probably sell that on Amazon. I raced home. I thought of a way I could differentiate it, and then I did the product and keyword research, and I saw that there was barely any competition. The sales were pretty good, and I knew there was an opportunity. The profit margin would be huge because it's so cheap to make. So I started looking for a supplier, and within 24 hours, I had my initial payment sent to them, and they were making my order. So you can see the breakdown here, and the order was finished on July 10th. I have all the details right here from the DHL tracking information, so it's transparent, but it was delivered to Amazon on July 15th, and it went live on Amazon. About 40 units were scanned in on July 19th. It was like 7 p.m. and I started running PPC, and then I'll show you the sales at the end of this video. But so far, the time goal has been achieved. I did all of this within 21 days from my idea to getting it launched on Amazon, which is really fast. My other products did not go that fast. It usually takes about 2 months or 3 months, but that is what happened with this product. So right here is X-Ray from Helium 10. It's how I do my product and keyword research. It's just one of the tools. So you can see right here, there's a 13,000 monthly search volume. The average revenue is pretty low compared to all the other products that I look for. Usually I look for around 10,000 average revenue, but I saw these sellers that have like 10 to 20 reviews, and they're doing anywhere from $2,800 to $9,000 a month in sales with very low reviews. So I saw an opportunity. I knew the profit margin was huge, so that is why I went for it. And these are the numbers. This is the breakdown of how much I've spent so far. So we are going to approach this like we are a brand new seller on Amazon. We never got an LLC. We never did the trademark. We just did the very basic, the minimum to sell on Amazon. So the Amazon seller account fee is $39 for your first month, and then the total cost of goods plus the shipping included was $474. Helium 10 with my discount code is $48 for a month, and then PPC so far has been $20. So my total investment in this whole product so far with everything included is $581. So this is my order that I got from Alibaba, so you could see how much my order cost, and that is a breakdown of how much I've spent so far. So we're still under that $1,000 limit. So here are the Amazon FBA fees. You can see the cost of the product with shipping included cost me 95 cents per unit. And then my FBA fees are $4.06. My total cost of goods and my FBA fees so far have been $5.01 per unit. Again, I got to add PPC to that, but I don't know yet because I don't know what it's going to cost. Usually with very low competition, you don't have to spend that much money, but we're going to find out later in the next video. So the sale price that I'm doing is $12.99, and my profit margin right now at $12.99 is 61.43%. So that's a very large profit margin. My goal was to launch the product at $16.99, but I dropped the price to get more sales. So eventually I'll increase the price up and my profit margin will be a lot bigger, but 64% profit margin is pretty good. So you could see how to calculate the margin if you never knew how. I put it right there. So now it was finally day one. I launched the product. It was the first full day, and by the end of the day, I had 12 sales. My rank was 10,458. My PPC spend was 20 out of $30. My budgets didn't get spent, so I spent around $20. I have 0 reviews, so that's why I always say run PPC even though you don't have reviews. It does work and you could have a low ACOS. And then I did no giveaways yet, and it was just PPC campaigns, which I'm going to show you in the next slide. All right, so this was my launch strategy for this product. I did one auto campaign and I set the bid around $1.12. I did an exact match campaign with 9 keywords with a volume of around 400 to 4,000 monthly searches. So it's not too high, so you could actually rank for some of these keywords pretty quick. And then I did one phrase match campaign with 3 of my main keywords so I could get some sales from that. So these are the results from day 1 of my 3 campaigns at the bottom. You could see the ACOS is pretty low on all 3 of them, which I was surprised. My other products was around 20% on each one, but so far it's doing pretty good, as you could see from the 3 screenshots on the bottom. We don't know how well it's going to go. This is only day 1. So far we're doing pretty good. We launched a product in under 1 month and we've only spent $601 on day 1. Now, as I'm filming this part of the video, it's actually day 2, so I've seen the sales for 2 days now. It's looking good, but the only thing is, can we maintain it? So if I keep selling over 12 units a day, I'm going to run out of product in about 50 days. So I'm probably going to have to figure out if I need to order more inventory in the next week or so. So I'll keep you updated on that in the next video of this series. But yeah, so far it's worked pretty good. My ACOS is pretty low. My PPC spend isn't much, and I'm getting sales from day 1 without any reviews, without doing any giveaways, so it is working well. But this is not my standard time frame. Like I said in the beginning of the video, this is not a typical product that I've launched on Amazon, but so far it's been a great experiment, and I hope you find this stuff interesting, because you could do this as well if you find a product that's really cheap and you could launch it. But the main challenge I do see coming is reordering more inventory. So I have to see if the profit from this amount of 500 units will cover that. I know it will, but will it be quick enough to cover that? So I should make about $2,500 to $3,000 profit, and to order another 1,000 units of this product, it'll be around $670, which is very cheap. I should have just started out with 1,000 units, but I just got the price breakdown from my supplier, and that's how much it will cost to double the order. So I should be able to cover the cost within a week or 2 if the sales stay up at this rate, and that is how it's all looking right now. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. If you do like this type of experiment and this type of content, hit that like button so I know that you are interested, so I know that I'm not doing this for nothing, but I'm doing it for myself and you as well. So stay tuned. I'm going to update with a couple other videos as we go along, maybe in a couple weeks to a month, and then maybe a couple months from there if I'm still selling it. It could keep going good, or it could go downhill from here. We don't know yet. But again, follow my community on Facebook, and if you need a complete training for under $100, check out the link in the description below. But that is it for now. Hope you enjoyed this experiment, and stay tuned.